Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Taylor Swift in her 1989 Eras Tour outfit. So let's get started. To draw cute Taylor, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now that her eyes in, we're going to spruce them up with some lashes. I'm going to come to the sides right here and draw a curve, maybe another one, and same thing over here. So maybe a shorter one on top and then a longer one at the bottom. There. Then let's go above her eyes, say about right here, and we're just going to draw her brow. So we're going to draw a soft arc, thicken it up, and same thing on the other side, about right here. And thicken it up. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, just gonna go ahead and go up and cap it off. Then from there, let's come back to where the eyes are. So like right about where the lashes are, and I'm just going to go ahead and start her face. So kind of like the bottom of a U, right around her eyes. So then we're going to bring it down. And I'm just going to say, I'm going to find my center and say about, kind of see how low you want it. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point just so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to bring down this curve. And connect it. Same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, we need to, let's see, we're going to bring this up towards her brow. And then we need to draw her bangs. So I'm going to come right here in the center, and I'll just start with some strands here and there. I'm going to hit her brow and bring it out. So maybe go this way just to change it up. And hit her brow and come out. Then from there, let's see here, we need to draw the top. So I'm going to find my center nice and high to give her her bang. So I'll say about right here. And I'm just going to bring down a curve. Whoops. And come out. So same thing here. There, maybe you can, I don't know, let's just connect it then for her bangs. There. And then right about here, you can draw some curves, give it some detail, and then let's come back up right here, right in the center again, nice and thin, just another layer, and we're just going to come down to the sides, and we're going to start to draw the rest of her hair and bring it down. So same thing over here. And bring it down. There. So just a nice thin layer at the top. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can come right about Well, let's do the rest of her, draw the rest of her hair later. Let's finish out her outfit first. So let's come back to the center, give her a little neck here and there. And I'm going to bring it out for her shoulders and down. And same thing here. Come out, shoulders, and down. Then from there, I'm just going to come down where this part bends. I'm going to come down, just kind of imagine like where her armpits would be, about right there and here. Give myself 2 points, and I'm just going to draw angle line down for her body. There. So then about right there, I'm going to connect this part towards the center for her top. So towards the center, and another curve. There. And then we're going to add some straps right about here. And same thing here. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down more. To maybe about right there, and then I'll connect with a curve. So then for her top, there's some details. So I'm going to say about right here, I'm going to cut it off. Before I cut it off though, I'm going to go ahead, instead of just drawing a curve across, I'm going to add some of these V's as I go out. So maybe one in the center, keep going, and then one more, and then finish it off. There. And then let's see here. Come back in with all the details later. So let's pop this out for her skirt. And let's keep going down. So let's say about right there. So now that I'm about the same height on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and once again draw the same thing like that. So I'm going to go across at a curve, but I'm going to add some of these zigzags. Oh, sorry, not zigzags, these V's that come out. So maybe one in the center, keep going, and one more. There, you cut it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and work on her legs. So this being the center, I'm going to come about right here, here, and her hips, so her legs. So let's work on this side, and I'm just going to go all the way down. And I'm just going to angle this a tiny bit. And just to simplify, I'm just going to bring this straight down as well, but aiming to make her ankles thinner. So about right there. And then let's draw her feet. So I'm going to curve this in, but don't pass the center. Oops. And then come out. And then right here is going to go straighten out and connect. There. And then she has these like ankle boots, I think. So I'm just going to cut it off right there. So same thing over here. So just follow the other side and same thing here. And once again, curve and down a little bit. And straighten this part out and connect. And then right here, just cut it off. There. Okay, so now that we have her boots in, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So on this, I'm going to have her arms on her hips. So let's come right about here where her armpits are. Just going to curve and curve, and then about right here, just angle out for a hand. And let's thicken up her arms. So right about here, elbow. Bring it in for the wrist, come down, and then a little finger. So say, well actually no, this time I'm just going to have her hands coming out just to change it up a little bit. So right about here, elbow, and then coming out and thicken it up. So let's say about right here. Just going to draw a thumb and fingers, and maybe another finger right there, just to finish it up. A little bit more detail. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's finish her hair. So I'm going to come right about here and just draw a curve coming down, and same thing here. Add some details, and then right about here, go around her arm, some strands, and then bring it in. And same thing here. Maybe one strand and then bring it in. There. And let's see. Now to draw all the beautiful details on her dress. So I'm just going to go ahead and just, let's see, I just used that V here, and I'm going to do it, draw it lightly. Just going to create this V. For this pattern that's in her dress, and then same thing here, and then I think maybe another one here, just so we get the idea that there's these stripes inside. Okay, and then for her skirt, you can add a line right here for the waist, and then once again just find your center. So let's say about right here, and we're going to create the same pattern. So it's kind of like this diamond shape. So and I'll just aim towards that. There. It's a little off, but just the idea of it, and we color it in. Just want to create this diamond in here. And maybe a line here. I'm not sure if there's another one there, but I'll just add it. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. And then the really cute part is just come out right here, and we're just going to draw a bunch of these little lines and then add some circles. Because that's where all the cute little beads . There, now it's extra cute, right? So same thing on this side. Wherever I can, I'll just add some of this. So have fun. You can put in as much detail as you like. There. So now hopefully I've kind of captured her dress a little bit better. And last but not least, I need to add a heart somewhere. So let's just give her a heart necklace. I know she's not wearing a necklace, but I'll just put one right here. There, to make her my Draw So Cute Taylor Swift in her 1989 Eras Tour outfit. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy, and that you really loved how this one turned out, just like all the other Taylor Swifts I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.